Alright guys, so in this video I'll show you how to get free stuff on Temu. So first thing, you need the app, and just if you don't have the app, just get it. Now that you have the app, I'll show you how to get free stuff. So then you want to go to me, or click you, and click win reward. Now once you're here, you can see all these options. And what I'm gonna do is just pick something random. So I'm just do 5 mysterious $0 items. Alright, now that you're here, just wait for it to load. Alright, now just spin the wheel real quick. Just wait for it to finish. Alright, now the next step is just to pick something else. So I get 5 free gifts each round. So just wait. Alright, let me pick my gift first. I'm gonna pick these AirPod Maxes. Yeah, I'm gonna pick gift. Oh, I have to choose a color, so I'm gonna just pick Deep Sky Gray. Now just pick 2 more items on your list. You have to go. Alright, now I'm gonna just I feel like buying Alright, my second item will be this teeth whitener. So pick the gift. And I think I have 3 more gifts to pick, I think. So I'm gonna pick this gaming set. It looks cool, so I'm gonna buy that. And pick the gift. And one more, I'll pick, are these beats? Wait, never mind. I'm gonna pick, what should I pick? A laptop? Nah. A mouse? Or a monitor? Oh, this one looks cool. Small magic ball. Alright, we have one more gift. Now I'm gonna just pick a new keyboard. Alright, once you picked, just wait for it to load. It's letting me pick one more, so I'm gonna just pick this chain for $0. And I'm gonna pick gold. Yeah. Now that you picked out your stuff, just wait. Alright, now if you wanna get a deal, just click that. And $50 off. And by the way, this is not a scam, because I've purchased from here before. So yeah. Alright, now that you're done, click X. So share one more time. Alright. And click share. And now you basically have your link, and all you need is just 2 more people to join your link, and you basically get free stuff on Temu. And it is free shipping too, so